everyone, I am Hemanika of grade 4.
Hello everyone, I am Sharvika.
Today we are going to demonstrate the first aid measures for dizzy and heart attack people. Then shall we start, Sharvika?
Yes.
Case 1, dizzy. Oh no, Sharvika, what happened to you? Step 1, lay down the person in the shadow place. Step 2, check whether the person getting enough air. Step 3, give some water to the person. Are you fine, Sharvika?
Yes, I am fine, Hemanika. Thank you for helping me. Case 2, heart attack. Hemanika. Step 1, call for help. Call 108 to get help.
Step 2, position person to observe the state. Step 3, begin CPR.
Place on one hand over the other and press firmly middle of the person's chest. Begin 2 compression per second.
Kindly help to others who need help.